That's the destroyed spot which I need to get her to fix.
I think he lip on the other side.
Hey, watch out, watch out! This is Operation Fix Roof. There's a roof, there's a leak. Tip 1. Lowe's does not rent ladders. Home Depot does. There's the roof. I've never changed shingles on the roof. This will be your first time. Coffee, gloves. Pass the ladder through the house, put it on the deck, and go up on top. Putting a tall ladder like this up on the roof, it is like not as easy as it looks. Ladders up, time to get nails. We gotta get the shingles. We have to get everything up on your roof. Alright, so I'm on your roof. Getting up on top of the roof and being here, it changes everything. Now I'm like, what am I doing here? Why am I on top of the roof? Was this the best idea? I'm so high. Making joke, yes? This is the view from the top. This is what's going on. Gone. Shingles gone. That's the spot over there. See that spot? That's the destroyed spot which I need to get her to fix. Let's get roof fixed in. I could do this. Hopefully I could get back down in one piece. I think I'm almost done. The patch is fixed. I'm gonna go check that side and get off this roof safely. Almost done. One more shingle to change. Mission complete, roof done. I'm on my way down the ladder and hopefully I can make it back safe, and it was a successful mission.
Hold the ladder is the most solid thing, yes. Ooh. Truck loaded up. See you on another roof fixing house project. Ah!